Minister for Information, Janab Qamar Zaman Khaira Sahab, Executive Director Roots, Mr. Chaudhry Waleed Mushtaq, Ms. Rifat Mushtaq, Founder Director RSS Colonel Mushtaq, distinguished guests, dignitaries, headmistress, members of teaching faculty, proud parents and very beloved and dear children at Roots International, Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to you all. I am extremely pleased and greatly honored to be amongst this august assembly, which is a bright promise for a secured future of Pakistan. When the Bhoja Air tragedy struck our national scene last evening, almost all of us had a double thought that whether we would be able to come and attend your function or not. But then it struck to us that the cause of education is one cause, which and only which can enable this country not only from preventing such air crashes in future and God forbid the crash of the future generation of the people of Pakistan. So not only the air crashes have to be avoided in future through more and more investment in education. This movement calls for that our national priority in all respect has to be number one priority, education. Number two priority, education. Number three priority, education, and nothing but education. And as the very name goes, Roots College International, that unless the root cause of all ailments that afflict the body politic of Pakistan are addressed, we are not going to make the aircraft of Pakistan, Pakistani nation and society to land smooth. That unless the Mohammedan College and School at Aligarh, which later on became the renowned Aligarh Muslim University, had it not been with Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, this country called Pakistan would not have come into existence. So, this is a reminder. This is a reminder that we have to establish as many as possible centers of excellence, centers of research, and what potential I see in RCI is the potential that MIT of America has. MIT. That MIT of America, which started with a school and later on became to be known as one of the highest center of excellence all over the world, has produced 4,000 multinational companies, has produced, and the export and the profit that is 4,000 multinational companies made is $2,400 billion every year. And this is my investment in RCI. This is the investment in the vision of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, that if Pakistan has to become a real independent and sovereign Pakistan, then it has to have an independent and sovereign economy, and only that economy can become sovereign and independent, which economy is education-backed and knowledge-backed economy. So only education gives a knowledge-backed economy. This is our belief. This is also a reminder to me. I would like to ask you, ये एक इल्म की मजलिस है. It's a session that is dedicated to knowledge and education. And I knew जो तकरीर यहाँ चलने वाली है वो टेलीनॉर की तकरीर नहीं चलेगी, टॉक शॉक में बातों शात में. मुझे मालूम है कि बच्चों को जो सुनना है वो सॉन्ग की पॉलिसी है, सब कह दो की पॉलिसी है, टेल ऑल की पॉलिसी है. I think this assembly will also support me in demanding from my own government that the inquiry of the yesterday's air crash should be a fair and free inquiry, a transparent inquiry, and besides the bad weather, if there was a human error, that should be also brought to the fore. That also must be brought to the fore. Am I right or wrong? Because the air crash reminds me that how valueless life has become in our society and nation. मुझे पता that the petrol pump stations would display a board with the sentence and message, don't smoke because your life is valuable. And what we witness today on the petrol pump stations is a slightly changed message and sentence. Don't smoke because your life is not valuable. Because the price of the petrol has skyrocketed, has gone up. आप समझे? तेल की कीमतें इतनी बढ़ गई हैं कि इंसानी जिंदगी की इतनी वैल्यू नहीं है, इसलिए आप पेट्रोल पंप पे बराए मेहरबानी तंबाकू नोशी ना करें. ये लिखा होता है पेट्रोल पंप. मुझे याद है हमें रूट्स की बात करनी है, जड़. व्हाट इज द फंडामेंटल फ्लॉ इन आवर सिस्टम? एक 2% रूलिंग एलीट है. मैं इससे आगे नहीं कहूंगा, मैं अपनी बात को समेट रहा हूं. What I have to say in the last part of my deliberation, I remember in 1990 when this cell phone was introduced in Pakistan, the user service charges were 8 or more than 8 rupees per minute. Am I right or not wrong? Am I right or wrong? 8 rupees per minute, and the price of tandoori roti was 50 पैसा. 1990 में तंदूर की रोटी 50 पैसे की थी और सेल फोन के यूजर चार्जेस 8 रुपए के थे. ऐसा है या नहीं है? एंड व्हाट वी विटनेस टुडे, आज हम क्या देख रहे हैं? The cell phone charges have come down to 50 paisa per minute, and the price of tandoori roti has gone up to 8 rupees per roti. Is it so or not? The reason is The root cause is zero or lack of investment in education in the Pakistan of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So what should be our demand? Our demand from the next budget